A developer is creating a custom MCP server for personal use. They need this server to be accessible within all local development environments on their machine, while ensuring that the configuration remains entirely private and hidden from teammates in any shared codebase. How should the developer correctly set up this MCP server?
IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Reads the question and explains the correct answer. Options are as follows. Option A. Define the server configuration within the user-level settings file, such as ~/.cloud.json. Option B. Include the server details in the project-specific .mcp.json and instruct colleagues to exclude it from their local versions. Option C. Configure the server using a local settings file stored directly in the root of the active development repository. Option D. Add the launch command for the server into the project-level .settings.json file.
The core challenge here is managing tool configuration scoping. We need to distinguish between global configurations that stay on a local machine and configurations meant to be shared across a team via version control. Understanding where settings live in the file system determines whether they are isolated to the developer or exposed to the entire repository.
I believe the correct answer is option A. By defining the server configuration within the user-level settings file, the setup remains restricted to that specific machine. User-level configuration files are inherently private because they live in the home directory and are not part of the project repository, ensuring that they are never included in version control. In contrast, options B, C, and D are incorrect because they rely on project-level configuration files like .mcp.json or project-level settings files. Any changes made to these files would be tracked by version control systems, making the server details visible to teammates and failing the privacy requirement. Remember, for tools meant to stay local and private, always look for configuration scopes tied to the user profile rather than the project structure.